Guys, have you ever wondered how a tattoo is made? It's not an easy task, just like putting a sticker and tattooing right away. First, you need to clean that area completely with alcohol, so though there's no bacteria or any other infectious material left. Then you shave that area off. After that, you apply stencil material on your hand and then apply on the place where you want the tattoo to be. Then you apply the stencil. If the stencil is not applied correctly, what will happen is you have to remove it with alcohol and reapply it and start your tattooing with different needles. First, you'll be using your shading needles or 3RL or 1RL, whatever you wanted to do it, whatever is comfortable with you. And after that, what you need to do is uh, apply any cream on the tattoo so it is moisturized accordingly. Keep watching my videos, subscribe for